Congratulations on passing the real estate exam. Now that you have your real estate license, your next question might be, what do I even do to get started? In this video, I'm going to break down what your first week as a new real estate agent should look like. Welcome to Clueless Realtor. If this is your first time visiting our channel, then consider subscribing. We upload weekly videos to help you build a successful real estate business. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be the first one notified of any new videos. As a real estate agent, I remember my first week, I wasted a lot of time doing unproductive things that didn't create any business. This is what inspired me to create a YouTube channel to help realtors succeed. If you want to have a productive first week, then this is the video for you. So stick around to watch the entire video. The first thing that you should do as a new real estate agent is contact everyone that you know and tell them that you are a new real estate agent. Go through your phone contacts and call or text every single person. Open up accounts on all social media platforms and make a post about becoming a new real estate agent. Keep reposting to get your name and your face out there. Real estate marketing is all about consistency. You basically want to announce to the world that you now have a real estate business. Since you are beginning your new career, nobody is going to know that you are a real estate agent unless you tell them. Also, create nice, attractive, professional business cards and always keep them on you. You never know who you might strike up a conversation with that you can offer your business card to and showcase your expertise in real estate. Next, look for a team to join within the brokerage that you are now working with. This is the easiest way to get your feet wet and get started working in real estate. An established team will have several members with opportunities to host an open house, and you need to make sure that you volunteer for those assignments. Please take advantage of all open houses because this is going to get your face in front of the public. This is your opportunity to create flyers with your contact information, strategically place open house signs with your contact information, and talk with potential buyers that will be visiting your open house. Here's a little secret. A lot of real estate agents don't like to do open houses because they think it's a waste of time. This is why you should jump at every opportunity to do an open house. Lastly, talk with your managing broker about what types of trainings do they have coming up. As a new real estate agent, you will want to attend every training possible. Sure, the best teacher that will help you grow your real estate business is experience. But the trainings will help you understand the legalities of real estate, how to navigate the MLS, how to properly market yourself and your brand, how to strategically post to social media platforms. What is email marketing and how can it help grow your business? And the list goes on and on. Once you become a veteran real estate agent and your business has been established, a lot of the trainings become a little redundant. But since you are a new real estate agent, you will want to attend as many trainings as possible. So, if you are a new real estate agent, I hope this video gave you some tips to get started having a successful real estate business. Be a sponge, and what I mean by that is ask tons of questions. The information and experience are not going to chase you down. You have to chase after them. I hope you guys found some value in this video. If so, make sure to leave me a comment and tell me what you think. Take care, guys, and let's go sell some houses.